Hey guys, welcome back to the Gill Switch, where we work on cars and improve. If a team can do it, so can you. Today we're going to be replacing a cabin air filter on a 2013 Toyota Sienna, but it's basically the same for every single car. The main reason why we're replacing this cabin air filter is because when we were driving, the air felt very wet and moist, which we do not want, so we're replacing this because that will make it feel more crispy since we're in the summer. When you get your cabin air filter, you want to make sure that fits your car. But as far as quality goes, it's pretty standard, so you can get yours from your local parts store, or like we did, we got it from Amazon. Now, let's open up the car and I'll show you how to replace it. So now that you guys are in the car, you gotta locate the cabin air filter. Typically, it's in the passenger side, but just go through your owner's manual to make sure. And it's typically in one of these two glove boxes. For us, it's down here. So now you just want to press in both sides. Sometimes it'll be a bit difficult, especially if you've never done it before. Apparently it's very difficult for me. There we go. And now your cabin air filter is right here. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it. It's right in that tiny crack. Once you get both the clips out, if your glove box does not go all the way down, there's probably a retainer like this. It's just an easy pull down. And now it's all out, and then your cabin air filter is right there. There's two clips on each side. You just want to get all the clips out, and then you're going to be able to slide your filter out. Then you just replace it, and then do the same thing that we did, but in reverse. So now I'm just going to go ahead and take the air filter out. You're just going to watch and learn. We're having some difficulties removing the cabin air filter, so we removed the glove box, and I got a pry bar to kind of help with the process, because in the summertime, the plastic, it kind of swells a bit. So now I'm just going to go ahead and take it out. Just like that. And it's a bit tighter on this side, so we're going to try, but I might just have to use my fingers. There we go. Now this part's out, and then your air filter comes out, and look how disgusting that is. Definitely need to be replaced. Oh, that's disgusting. Mom wants to see it, so we gotta keep it. So that was the old air filter, and this is the new. See how much cleaner it is? So now let's just get out of the plastic packaging. And now you're going to want to put it back in the same place. You want to make sure that you're putting it correctly. So there's an airflow arrow that's pointing down for us, because the easiest way to tell is whatever side's dirty, that's the side that the air is flowing. So for us, the top was dirty, so that means we want to have the arrow flowing down. Some OEM products will tell you which way the air filter needs to be installed, but not how the air flow is actually going. So just make sure that you know that. Just a shout out to Jack, who reminded us that this is an important thing to tell to our viewers. So now let's go install it. And now you just want to reinsert it, and there we go. And you also want to get your cover. It also has an arrow that says up, so you want to use this and make sure that that arrow is facing up as well. It'll just clip in, you'll hear it, and there you go. It's installed. Now it's time to put the glove box back on. Make sure that you put the clips in properly, or else it's not going to work. So you're going to hear like a clip, and then make sure that you get this retainer clip in. And now you're good to go. And now let's see if it works properly. Now we're going to go out for a drive. Make sure that the swampy air is now a crispy cold air. Let's go. So guys, we're in the car right now. The air feels very crispy, unlike before. And this is a very easy fix. Good. Alright guys, so we're back from the drive. Everything's a lot better. Very crispy air. I just want you guys to know that a dealership will easily charge you $100 or more for a job that we did in 15 minutes for under 20 bucks. And the most that you're going to need is one tool, like a screwdriver or pry bar. So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, give it a subscribe. If you didn't, write down in the comments what you think I could do better.